What's going on, YouTube? We back checking in with another video, and as you all know, the grind don't stop. So we up early morning grinding before it's time to go into work, trying to get some work done on these vehicles. You can see the Tahoe behind me with the hood open. I'm doing a video on that. I'm also doing a video on the Yukon. So what we got going on with the Yukon is I went and pressure washed the engine. Didn't even get to finish because the motor started revving high and sounded like it had a vacuum leak, but I ain't able to find that vacuum leak. I checked everything and I don't see no type of vacuum leak. So the only thing that I can think of was the throttle body. So I pulled the throttle body off, and what we're about to do is I need to probably pull that intake off and clean it again, but that'll be another day. Like everything, I done checked everything. No leaks, no breaks. Like, it's really not that many vacuum leaks unless the intake gasket went bad, but that's a new intake gasket under there. If what I got don't work, then it's gonna be running down the rabbit hole, guys. So what I'm about to do, I gotta check, and if you have any recommendations on where I haven't checked yet, please let me know, cause I have checked and I have checked. I even look back here and I don't see nothing that would be a vacuum leak. So what I'm gonna do is I got the throttle body off, so I'm going to clean that real good, carb cleaner. And I'm talking about, I'm gonna clean it real good. So I got the carb cleaner on deck. And then I got the throttle body position sensor, AC Delco. So I got that, that's the throttle body position sensor. And then this is the idle air valve. So both of them is going to get replaced. So I'm gonna remove those hex screws, you can see. So I'm gonna remove those, clean the throttle body up, and then put it back on there. And hopefully that fixed the issue. If not, we'll be climbing down the rabbit hole trying to figure out what's going on with it. Like I said, the issue didn't start until I pressure washed it. Did the same routine when I pressure washed my OBS pickup truck that I had. Same routine I did, and I didn't have that issue. So it ain't no telling what the issue is with this one. So we're gonna figure it out, guys. So stay tuned. I'll be right back with you. All right, so checking back in real quick. So I got the throttle position sensor off, and as you can tell, dirty, corroded, dirty. So I'm gonna get that cleaned up, as well as the idle air control, dirty as well, rusted up, and even the inside is dirty. So we're gonna get that all cleaned up. Even when I pulled it out, the seal came off of it. So, oh, that's empty. All right, I'm gonna have to get some more of this. So we're gonna get it all sprayed and cleaned up. All in the crevices. and get all in there. So that's almost the whole can. And so what I'm gonna do is I'll wipe it off, clean it again, and then when I install it, I'll check back with you. But I did use a T20 to get those little screws out. So now I'm gonna clean it again. Clean it again, spray it down again, and I'll cut you back on once I get it installed. All right, guys, so I'm back checking in with the Yukon. As you can see, so I'm checking back in with the Yukon. So I replaced the TPS sensor as well as the IAC sensor, the idle air control. And then I didn't replace that, but I think I'm gonna replace it eventually. So I ain't even had the car. I ain't even drove the car a good week. I brought it here, parked it, and ain't drove it. Took it to pressure wash the engine and messed it up. So let me show you the problem I'm having. Rough idle. See what I'm idling at. So I don't know. It sounds like I got a leak somewhere, but I can't find it. I can't find it at all. So my next thing is gonna be to remove, my next thing is gonna be remove the, replace the intake gasket. Shit, I ain't feel like doing it. I replaced it once before. That's how I got it here. So I'm gonna take it apart, see if that worked. I really didn't feel like doing it, man. But if y'all know what's going on with it, man, drop me a comment. I'm actually about to upload this video right now. So if y'all know what's going on with it, man, please drop me a comment below before I take off this intake. Because when you take off the intake, you gotta remove this. Man, you gotta remove so much stuff to take this intake off, man. So before I take that intake off, man, drop it in the comments and let me know. If not, I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off and hopefully it fix my problem. But thank you for checking out the video. We out. Peace.